notch between two chest. Breathe in, breathe out. Let's have commitment for next 20 minutes. For twists and turns in our tummy. So breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Rub your palms. Rub them on face, your neck, ear, and slowly open your eyes. And let's concentrate today on tummy. So let's be in lotus first. Okay. Let's start with very simple Sukshma Yoga. It's cold day, so let's start with very simple. Touch your left hand on the right side and right hand on the left side. Okay, don't hurry up. I'm sure at the end of this probably you will be sweating heavily, so don't worry. Okay, it will be slowly, we will be picking up, but I want that the body should not get jerks, so be careful. We don't have to give jerks. Slowly increase the angle from 0 to 30, 0 to 30, the cross angle, and you'll find whenever you are touching the ground, you have a stretch on back. Now try to touch the farther point. Those people who are suffering from cervical, they should stop. They should not do it. Those having a back pain, they should first check with their doctor. This is a very important general instruction. Coming to the straight down, touch the hand in front of you. So when you come back, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Let's have a Chakki Chalanasana. So 1, 2. So stretch your back, stretch your waist, stretch your trunk completely. Okay, and breathe in. When you twist, breathe out. When you take a round of hand, breathe out. And breathe in and opposite. Breathe in opposite direction, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. And let's start with very simple Tulasana. 1 and 2. So 1 and 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1 and 2. I'm sure half of the people must be sweating. This will increase definitely the metabolism. Let's start with the Yoga Mudrasana. So very simple. Take a deep breath. Slowly bend as much as possible. Don't overdo it. Right? So slowly bend. You can touch your forehead to the floor. Breathe out. Be there. Breathe out. Take a deep breath. Bring your hands up. And breathe out. Take a deep breath again. And breathe out. Let's start with something which will give you a quick health to your tummy. So you are in lotus. Slowly bend yourself a little bit and release your hands. Balance yourself. 1. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Let's do it reverse. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, cross, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now hold the hands. Some of you may tumble, but if you keep your backbone straight and keep your dhyan at one point, stabilize yourself, and you will find slowly there will be stretch in this portion. Come back and relax. So with lotus position, there are n number of different tummy reducing asanas which we will do. Shalambha Padmasana, let's do for that. Very slowly come back in the Padma Svanasana and very slowly touch your complete ventral portion to the floor. Observe the relaxation in the back. Be careful. Some of the people may have cramps, so be careful. Else you can release the lotus. Those people who have a lotus habit, they'll be able to do it. So you find a stretch in tummy and the fun starts here for tummy. So 1, stretch your tummy, and 2, down. Maximum amount of stretch to be given on hands. So 1, be careful, and 2, 1 and 2. Observe the pressure below the belly button. 1 and 2. Do not give pressure on your knees, give pressure on your hands. Okay? So 1 and 2. Be careful. It's not a simple one, but it will give you a lot of good results. Next one, which is a preparation of Mayurasana. So keep your both the hands here and just push your elbows in tummy. You have to push the elbows in tummy and touch your forehead to the ground. So let's do it. You're still on your knees. So let's do it. 1 and 2. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. When you touch your forehead and nose to the ground, observe the pressure in tummy. It's enormous. Observe the pressure on the wrist. Those people who have problems in wrist, they should not do it. People having ulcer should not do it. People having tummy, most welcome. So breathe in, breathe out. Enjoy the pressure on tummy. Enjoy yourself. The preparation for Mayurasana. It's very effective. Slowly come back, take a deep breath. And breathe out. And observe now the sweat you have. Right? The sweat. Complete sweat you have. Let's do with the Padmasana one more thing which will give you a reduction in sides. Okay, so hold your right hand to the left knee and try to pull it. Other hand, try to keep it at the back. Okay, twist yourself. Remember, you don't have to apply too much of pressure. You are twisting your tummy. You are twisting your vertebral column. Those who have slip disc, please don't do it. Any of them. Breathe in, breathe out. Observe that you are breathing with tummy now. And very slowly, let's start Kapalbhati in this position. Take a deep breath. Gentle smile on the face. Come back. Observe the stretch on the sides. Breathe out. Take a deep breath. And in opposite side, slowly pull the left knee with the right knee with the left leg or left hand. Keep your right hand cross and slowly start Kapalbhati. Observe the tummy. You will find that the right chest is open and you are breathing by tummy. You should do it at least 24 times. Breathe in and breathe out and observe the stretch there. Let's try one asana. It may be you can do it partial. For that, what you can do, just put your both the hands through your legs. Okay, your legs are still in Padmasana. Try to hold yourself up. Even if you do it partially, it's good. 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Keep your lotus same, correct? So you'll find you have a lot of stretch in tummy now, right? Let's do Matsasana. So another way, reducing tummy, very slowly go, but keep your lotus same, very slowly. Keep your tummy up and your head top touching to the ground and slowly relax. Now next, bring your legs in lotus position and hands are straight in line with the body. Now 1, bring your hands near to your legs, crossing the legs, and slowly 2, the whole body is touching the floor. Be careful, lotus is very strong, so there may be jerk to your back which you should not give. So 1 and 2, 1 breathe in, 2 breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, observe the stretch in tummy and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. 1 and 2, 1. Observe in 4 to 5 iterations. You may have an ache in tummy. If You feel that ache is there. Relax. Just for 2 minutes, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 10 seconds, relax. Remember the sweet along with the fat you have taken in past. Relax. And then start again and observe the stretch. Observe the stretch in tummy. Observe the stretch in anterior muscles and enjoy. Enjoy the stretch. Be careful. Those people who have any element of tummy should not do it. And observe the sweat you have. So let's relax in Matsyasana. Hold the toes and touch the elbows to the ground. Breathe in, breathe out. Tummy up like protruded tummy, big tummy. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Smile on the face, sweat on the face. Enjoy sweat. Sweat is the life. Sweat is the health. So breathe in, breathe out, and relax. Relax. Keep your lotus intact. Keep your lotus intact. This is giving you health. And now, touch the right hand to the left thigh and come back. Left hand to the right thigh and come back. So 1 and 2. Very simple. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now we have brought it in an angle of 90. Slowly bring it to the angle of 80, 70 and 60. 1. Now this is difficult. And 2. See the stretch in tummy. 1 and 2. And relax. Again start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2, and observe the stretch. My God. So bring your both the legs nearer to your tummy in a lotus. Relax them on the floor. Bring it up. Relax on the floor. Bring it up. Relax on the floor. Keep your lotus intact. Have a fun. Let's do another fun. Now this time, right hand from top of your legs, touch it to the thighs. 1. Bring it. And left hand to the right thigh. 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And relax and observe the stretch. Observe the stretch. And slowly come back to the sitting position. I'm sure the sweat you must be enjoying, health you must be enjoying. Some of the glimpses today we had from our daily yoga. So take a deep breath. Be seated in lotus. Keep your lotus intact. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes and let's have Bhastika. I'm sure your temperature of body must have been now much more than outside temperature, right? It must be, you must be feeling now very warm, right? And very enthusiastic. Let's keep both of our hands near to your shoulder. Fists are closed. Smile on the face. Eyes are closed. Breathe out. Breathe in. and open your hands up, breathe in completely, and with the force, breathe out. Those who have any heart disease, blood pressure, don't do it. So let's do it 24 times. Increase the speed. Take a deep breath. Unfold your lotus. Close your eyes and lie down. It's time to relax. Lie down slowly. Keep a distance of 1 foot between your legs. Your toes are opposite to each other, in opposite direction, pointing. Your neck slightly tilted on left. You have to concentrate on your tummy. Relax your complete legs from toe to the pelvic area, and then concentrate on tummy. Observe the plasticity it has. The muscles, they are responding to you because they have done a lot of work today. Just 20 minutes, but huge workout on tummy. Relax your chest. Relax your back. The whole trunk relax. Gentle smile on the face. Concentrate on breathing. Some of you may have a headache because we don't have habit of so much of workout. So don't worry. If you have headache, try to take a rest. Continue rest. Some of you may have a dry mouth. I'm sure in this cold also, the workout is like that. This yoga is like that. Relax and just hear me. Today you have touched the internal organ of pancreas. You have actually brought yourself away from diabetes. You have taken a first step to prevent the diabetes. If you do it alternate day, these things, I'm sure you will achieve very good health of tummy, a very good insulin secretion, very good somatostatin secretion, glycogen secretion. Your carbohydrate metabolism will be like a teenage. You will almost never will have any acne. So you are basically stimulating your kidney, your pancreas, your adrenergic glands, your lower abdomen viscera, and also you will also acquire huge vital power with what we have done today. In 20-21 days, you'll find that you get enormous power of muscles of abdomen, tummy. So relax yourself. Observe your breath. In your internal mind, thank yourself. The workout you have done. Observe the dryness in the mouth. Sounds which are coming from outside the room, sound inside the room. Try to move the toes of left leg, move the toes of right leg, the fingers of left hand, move the fingers of right hand. Keep your eyes closed. Turn your neck towards the right. Turn yourself to the right. Relax the transition between the Shavasana and Jagrati Avastha, Shavasana and completely awake pose. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Please slowly come back to the sitting position. Take a deep breath, keep your eyes closed. Be in Sukhasana, keep your backbone straight but relax. Rub your palms. Observe the energy in your palms. Palms and fingertips, they are at high energy. Touch them to the neck. Rub your neck. Rub your ears. Knead them. Observe the transfer of energy. Rub your face. Observe the oil and sweat which face has as a sign of good health. Rub your eyes. And with a commitment to ourselves, in this festival, not to eat too much of sweet, not to drink unwanted drinks. Be yourself, be healthy. Slowly open your eyes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you so much, friends. Please advise your suggestions in comment box.